This video walks you through how to test Stripe invoicing. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once you are in, look at the environment setting and make sure you are working in sandbox or test mode before you continue. This matters because the invoice you create here is meant for testing, not for live billing. After that, go to the left-hand menu and click Invoices. This opens the invoicing area where you can create and review test invoices. On the Invoices page, click Create Test Invoice to begin a new draft. You will then need to choose a customer for the invoice. If you already have a test customer in your account, select that customer from the available list. If not, click Add New Customer and create a test customer to use for this invoice. Make sure the customer you pick is a test customer, since that keeps the workflow inside your test environment. Next, add one or more invoice items or products. This is the part where you define what the invoice is charging for. Depending on how your Stripe account is set up, you may enter invoice items directly or choose from products that already exist in your test data. Add the items you want included so the draft invoice contains the charges you want to test. Once the invoice items are in place, choose how payment will be collected. You can select a method such as request payment or auto charge customer. Pick the option that matches the type of invoicing flow you want to check. Request payment is used when you want to send the invoice for payment, while auto charge customer is used when the customer should be charged automatically according to the available payment setup in test mode. If needed, configure any additional invoice options before moving on. This can include selecting a template, adding a memo, entering footer text, or filling in custom fields. These settings are optional, but they are useful if you want to see how the finished invoice appears with the extra details included. When everything looks ready, click Review Invoice. Stripe will show you the draft details and a preview of the invoice. Take a moment to review the customer, the invoice items, the collection method, and any optional settings you added. This is the point where you confirm that the invoice looks the way you expect before finalizing it. To complete the test, click Finalize Invoice. After the invoice is finalized, choose Send or Pay, depending on the test flow you want to complete. Sending the invoice lets you test the delivery side of invoicing, while Pay lets you complete the payment side in the test environment. Finally, return to the Invoices page and verify the invoice status. This confirms that the test invoice moved through the expected stage after you finalized and sent or paid it. Your Stripe test invoice has now been created, finalized, and verified in the Invoices page.